We'll guide you through how to make glass effect in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to add stylish visual effects like glass overlays in CapCut to enhance their videos. This effect helps make content look more cinematic and creative, which is useful for social media, storytelling, and editing trends where eye-catching visuals can attract more viewers and engagement. To begin this tutorial, click your CapCut on the main page. Once the app is open, move your attention to the top left corner and click Sign In to access your account. If you want to log in using a Google account, click Sign In with Google to continue. A list of available Google accounts will appear on your screen. Select the Google account you want to log in with. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the main interface of the application. Click Create Project at the top to begin a new editing session. After entering the project workspace, click Import on the top left so you can add media files from your device. A file selection window will appear, allowing you to browse your folders and locate your video files easily. Next, select the video you want to create the glass effect for by clicking on it. Then click Open to import it into the project. Once the video is uploaded, it will appear in the Media Library panel. Then, click the plus icon on the video you have uploaded to add it to the timeline so you can begin editing. After placing the video on the timeline, look at the top left corner of the interface and click Effects to open the Effects library where you can find different visual enhancements. Inside this section, type glass to quickly find the relevant effect options available in the system. After the results appear, click and drag the selected glass effect onto the timeline, placing it part of the video where you want the effect to appear. The effect will automatically be applied to your video once it is placed correctly on the timeline. Next, adjust the size of the glass effect to your liking so it matches the look and focus you want in your video. Once finished, click play to see the results and preview how the glass effect looks in your video.